Ay, hindi ko alam.
Ay, ako din. Ano ba to? Double elimination? Single elimination? Ba't may bracket?
Sir, please enlighten us. Ano ito?
Provincial meet po ba to?
O kaya ano?
Taga-management?
Okay, ilang rooms ba tayo? 6, di ba? Oo. Eh, ay, tay ito.
Tay.
Tay, okay.
Nanay.
With an average score of 82%, we have the,
We have a tie.
oo nga, pero yung prize.
Tie din.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have group number 2 and group number 4.
Okay, please move forward.
Okay, we would like to thank Honorable SB Member Nelson Lucas for the cash prize.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Represented by, of course, his son, Michael Lucas. Thank you so much. And I guess we're ready for the solo performances. But before that, do you have any acknowledgement here?